Hello everyone, my name is Nayan Gauri. Today I am going to tell you gear train design using Autodesk Inventor which is guided by Skyfi Labs. So, mechanical design. What is mechanical design? The purpose of mechanical design are to select proper material, to design best suited shapes, to calculate dimension based on loads and strain material, and to manufacturing processes for components and assembly. There are various mechanisms like gears and gear train, belt and chain drives, cam and followers, linkages, structural components in which there are frames, fasteners, bearing, etc. Machine element in which splines, keys, etc. So what are the factors of mechanical design to be considered while designing? First one is cost, second one is strength of material, third one is wear resistance, fourth one is ease of assembly and disassembly, fifth one is lightweight, sixth one is reliability and durability, and last one use of standard part and easily available of material. So today we are learning gear train design. So what is gear? Gear is nothing but rotating machine part with cut tip. It is used to transmit the torque and it creates an mechanical advantage. What are the needs of gears? The first need is to reverse the direction of rotation, then increase or decrease the speed of rotation and transfer rotational motion to the different axis. So the types of gears are spur gear which are used for parallel shafts, bevel gears which are used for intersecting shaft, rack and pinion which are used for converting rotary motion in linear motion. In rack and pinion gear, the rotary gear is called pinion and the linear gear is called rack. And the last one is worm and worm gear. These gears are specially used for transmitting motion in a 90 degree, or also we can say for transmitting motion for non-intersecting and non-parallel shaft. The types of gear trains are simple gear train, compound gear train, dual gear train and planetary gear train. Simple gear train is nothing but a shaft having only one gear on it. In compound gear train there are many gears on one shaft. In dual gear train the axis of rotation of first and the last gear is same, and in planetary gear train there are many gears revolving around one another. So here is a software called Autodesk Inventor in which we have designer gear train assembly. You can see here. So first of all, to design anything in this software we have to set a dimension to a Indian standard. For that first we have to go to tools, then document setting, and here we can see in units we have to change length to millimeter and mass to kilogram, then apply and then close. So here at the right browser box you can see the spur gear. We have designed firstly spur gear, these two spur gear. From design command we can see here directly spur gear. So when we click here you can see that we can put all the necessary data like gear ratio, module, center distance between two gears, number of teeth on first gear and second gear. Like this we can make a gears. Then in shaft we can see here there is a shaft. So we can make a shaft directly on a bisections. So we can see the here how we made the shaft in 5 sections. So this is first shaft and this one is a second shaft. After that we have design a bearing. So let you show. Here is a we have made one bearing. So you can see in design command there is an option for bearing. So we can likewise per gear and shaft we can put whatever necessary data for our bearing in this command and we can design a bearing. So we have made one bearing and by copy pasting we make it as 4. So here you can see we have made 2 bear housing. This one is first bear housing, this one is second bear housing, and after that we have made keys on C. This one is a first key and this one is a second key. You can see here. After that we have constrain all the things together and we made assembly. After that we have to just hold the shaft and to rotate the gear, and you can see that it is rotating.